How to get Microsoft Rewards points fast in mobile. So first things first is head straight to Microsoft Rewards official site like this one, and then ensure that you are successfully logged into your account. Now, as of the moment, we will not be doing anything on the direct Microsoft Rewards app or on their official site. So what you want to do is to open up any preferred web browser on your device and then go to this site right here that's going to be called App Sneak. Choose on the very first link that will take you directly to AppSnake's official website. Now locate search for apps and games and simply type in Microsoft Rewards. Now choose on this one, and then on the next page you will be redirected to input your specific Microsoft Rewards credentials. Now just simply hit on your email from your Microsoft account and then hit on continue, and then you will be redirected to the page in which you'll have to choose on how much rewards that you would like to get. You just need to complete that specific task and you will be getting that points. And that's it. That's how you get Microsoft Rewards points fast in mobile.